Welcome. If you want to set up and customize alarm clock in your Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, at the first you have to go for the clock. After that we can activate one of these alarms. And then if you want to customize, just click on it. And as you can see, right now we are able to set up the days. So I'm going to set this alarm on the Monday. We can name our record. Our alarm. Here we are able to customize the alarm sound. Also the same for the vibration, and the most important, the snooze. So let's pick up the 10 minutes 45 times. And after that we have to click to save. And as you can see, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.